So the restaurant started as a school project at UNB, where I got a scholarship from Trinidad to come to Fredericton, New Brunswick. And basically I wanted to tell my professors that I was doing my thesis, and I said I wanted to start an ethnic restaurant in a white market, predominantly white market. I told my professors that's what I wanted to do. I presented my thesis to them, and I got a C+ for the project. So when I got a C+ for the project, being on scholarship, I failed the course, lost my scholarship, couldn't graduate, almost got deported back to Trinidad. A guy by the name of Andy Scott, who was a member of parliament, really amazing guy, heard about the story, and he decided to help me get our citizenship with my family. So called up mom and dad, and they decided to sell everything in the island, and bring up certain things. So, the tables, some of this water chime, some of the pottery, the plants, all that stuff is from my house in Trinidad. And we shipped it in a shipping container. It took about 6 or 8 months to get here, and it docked in St. John, New Brunswick, and had to stay there for another 6 months quarantine. And then, of course, we furnished the restaurant and whatnot. So that's basically how the restaurant started, with some challenges of not understanding diversity, ethnicity, culture, funding, where we're going to get funding from. Two things that play a major role in Canadian living. It's bacon and alcohol. If you don't have that, oh boy, your ship is sinking, and it's sinking fast. But we're Muslim, and so it was, those are two things that of course we couldn't really do, is the bacon and the alcohol. So when my professors, as I said, heard about the restaurant being ethnic, not serving bacon, not serving alcohol, they kind of gave us 3 months to survive, and we decided, we're going to do it anyway. So some of my friends actually from UNB campus actually helped, come and paint and decorate and all that stuff. So, it was, believe it or not, there's a big part of the UNB community and the community at large in Fredericton who helped us to start it. We've had the honor, pleasure, and blessing for cooking for, prime ministers, to Snoop Dogg, to Leonard Cohen, rest in peace, to Justin Bieber, to Sean Kingston. My parents, and they did Rihanna, Drake. So sometimes my parents would do shows with them. Sometimes I would fly with them, go out on tour. I would still love more of the Fredericton market to support us. But until I start serving bacon and alcohol, it's a slow and steady race for sure.